Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, thank you for coming back. So today I'm reviewing this wig from UNice hair. They sent me this beautiful 18-inch 13x4 frontal wig. Giving cute, curls are soft, baby girl. If you want to see me unbox this wig, install it, all that good stuff, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram here so you can follow me there. So you can participate on my polls, question and answers, giveaways, everything I have going on my Instagram. Thank you so much for coming to my channel and let's get started. Hey you guys, welcome back. So this is what the bag looks like. It'll come in this little drawstring baggie here, and I'm gonna real quickly show you guys what comes inside. So you have the wig in this plastic baggie. Get a little card in this little baggie with a whole bunch of little goodies. It looks like there's lashes, clips, a scarf, and a wig caps in there. This is what the wig is looking like. It is a 18-inch 13x4 frontal curly. It is really pretty. It's giving me like Jerry curl. The curls are really soft. I think the density might be like 150. It doesn't seem really thick to me, in my opinion, but I will have the links to everything in the description box and all the details. So this is what the inside looks like. Lots of parting space. It has 3 combs and adjustable straps, and I just end up cutting this extra lace off. But yeah, this is what the hairline is looking like. It does look pre-plucked. I will go back in and pluck some more though. I always do. And I'm also going to put some foundation on the lace and cut the lace off camera, and then I will come back and show you guys how I style it. I'll probably just put some water and mousse in here, diffuse it all the way dry, and yeah, we'll talk about it. But this pre-pluck situation looks really good, really good. But yeah, all right, I'll be back in just a second. All right, you guys, so I'm all done styling this wig. So all I did was put some foundation on the parting, on the lace before I put it on. I threw some baby hairs on here, and I put some water and this like curly mousse in my hair. But yeah, and then I diffused it dry, so it is completely dry now, absolutely completely dry. And although for me it felt like a little thin in the beginning, when it dries, like it looks very full. But when I like run my hands through it and stuff, like it just feels like a little, it feels like a little thin. But I mean, it's thin to my like preference. Some people might not like a whole 250% density, you know. But no, this one is giving very full. The lace is giving very natural, coming straight out of the scalp. Okay, so yes, that is great as well. And then I just like did the hot comb on the roots just to straighten those out a little bit, and did the side parts. But yeah, I think she is beautiful. She is a 18-inch 13x4 frontal curly wig, and I think she's cute. I think she's cute. Brunch. This is definitely like a brunch wig. This could be a running errands wig. You can put the middle part in, and I feel like middle part is like so casual that you could do that. You can wear middle part running errands, going out, date night, all that. So she is beautiful. The curls are very soft and defined. As you can see, I love this curly hair texture. 100% love that. But yes, make sure you guys check out the description box for all the details on this wig. Thank you again, UNice here, for sending me this wig and sponsoring this video. Thank you everyone for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.